You know, it's the time of the year here again when employees sign up for health insurance through their employers.
And given the pandemic, most people will see some changes this time around. WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco explains what you can expect in Greater Cincinnati.
The pandemic has changed how we access medical care and how much medical care we get. So I looked into what that means for your money. This year, analysts from the Kaiser Family Foundation say many families in the U.S. chose telehealth instead of in-person medical visits, including Cincinnati dad Tommy Lewis.
I have a family that I too have to support and make sure that they're healthy.
Lewis says his family avoided the doctor's office due to the COVID-19 risk, and he's not alone. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, in 2021, health insurance companies will offer more virtual visit options as part of coverage.
But at the end of the day, we're going to have to spend money.
But how much? Miami University economist Melissa Thomason has spent her career studying employment-based health insurance. She says COVID-19 treatment isn't really profitable for insurance companies.
Insurers are probably really reluctant to cut premiums.
She says insurance companies also lost customers as people lost their jobs during the pandemic, but not as many as predicted.
Only about half the workers who were laid off had employment-sponsored coverage. Jobs in retail and service industries, hospitality and leisure, those people typically don't have health insurance coverage. And so I think the losses in health coverage were less than we initially feared.
And she says insurance companies did not spend as much this year because people put off surgeries and treatment, either because they were afraid of catching COVID-19 or they lost coverage. The Kaiser Family Foundation predicts that will offset losses and premiums will likely increase as usual, only because of regular yearly medical cost increases.
We are at the mercy of the providers.
Lewis says he already pays about $3,000 a year for his family. He can't imagine paying more.
I really believe there's going to be an increase in the insurance premiums, and families of 4, 5, 6, they're going to have to make real serious decisions on, either food, shelter, transportation, or health care.
We have some information for Medicare recipients too. The Kaiser Family Foundation says a drop in health insurance used during the pandemic has led to less Medicare spending, and so you can actually expect more benefits in 2021. Reporting in Mount Adams, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.